drinking there? Water? Colorado water? No, that's a Budweiser. There's our helicopter. Look up there.
You can't have an event without a helicopter these days.
Hey, no good. Check them out. Come on down. Nice to see you. Buffalo Bill blood smell. We got a helicopter here. Oh, we got a helicopter here. Oh, yeah. Hey, oh. I just done a deal all down my shirt trying to look up the helicopter. Nice to see you. Buffalo Bill down here. Blood smell.
Holy fuck!
Holy shit!
Holy fuck, dude! Oh my god!
Buffalo Bill, baby! Is it gonna blow up?
Yeah!
It's gonna blow! Buffalo Bill! Shut up! Oh god, there's